We all love to watch this beautiful world, and for that we need to do travel, but the main problem which stops so many of us doing that is not the holidays crunch but the price of traveling. We all know that when we do travel from point A to point B, we need to pay a hefty amount of money every time in flights, fare price, also in taxi and cabs. So today I am gonna solve this problem of yours. I am gonna share few tips and tricks with you. By doing that, you will be saving a huge amount of money every time you travel, and hence you can travel more in the same money. 1. Book in advance. There are many airlines in the market these days which are running different algorithms to bait users for selling the same tickets to higher price. But yes, one thing which is common in all airline algorithms is that they give a discounted price when we book the flight in advance. So now the next genuine question which should come in your mind is how soon we should book the flight. So the answer is somewhere around 2 to 3 months before the travel date you should book the flight ticket. To book the flights in advance is not a big deal for a corporate employee, as mostly we plan our holidays in advance. 2. Use VPN. You can use VPN to see the price difference. For example, if you wish to go to Spain from New Delhi, then you can enter your location to Spain and then search the price of the flight. There is a high chance you will get the same flight in cheaper price. 3. Use incognito mode. These days almost all the airlines algorithms using artificial intelligence to sell us tickets, so when we search the flight price they will increase the price cause they know that we are willing to go to that particular route. So to avoid artificial intelligence and cookies, you must open incognito mode in your web browser and then book your flight to avoid price hike by the software. 4. Perfect day and time. Many experts say about this that when you search perfect day and time, you are most likely to get cheaper price. The best day as per the experts is Wednesday night around 10 to 12 p.m. to book the cheap flights. 5. Last minute deals. Many airlines gives cheaper flight tickets on their last minute price. If you are solo or can plan a trip like in no time, this is also an option you can try. 6. Use miles points. If you are a loyal customer of any airline, they will give you points on Y9R every travel. You can use those points to get discount on your travel tickets. 7. Use app. Sometimes mobile apps gives cheap prices than the website to promote their mobile applications. 8. Use flight comparing apps. You should use flight comparison apps to see the price of flights like Skyscanner, Kayak, Momondo, Hopper, Google Flights, etc. 9. Off-season travel. If you can do that, you will surely get a cheap price. Airlines always increase the price when holiday season comes like New Year, Christmas, Diwali, etc. So if anyhow you can be able to select the destinations in off-season, you will be getting better deals than ever. 10. Search different route. This is a tricky hack. So suppose you wanna go from New Delhi to Indonesia. You can choose via Singapore or via Malaysia. Also, you should check the price for one side and then return differently. Sometimes you will get better deal if you book tickets differently, not in one go.